Okay, try it one more time. Testing, testing.
Testing, testing.
Hold it a little bit lower so we can see your mouth. There you go.
Testing.
Perfect.
Okay. Dad, ready?
Okay. No, still testing. Test. Give me some more sound.
Testing.
Yeah.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing.
Stuff out there.
Testing 1. You just push it in like this, okay? That's all you have to do. Push it in. Okay, are you ready
Okay.
to start?
Yes.
Yes. Ready? Okay. Welcome to our Christmas show. I know it may be late, but we want to do it. Some people may think that Christmas is about this. Andrea. Like this. Santa Claus, Rudolph, and getting stuff in your stocking. But, no. It is really about
Oh.
this. Okay, Andrea, come on. Andrea, you've got to stay in there. Sorry. Okay, I gotta go over here. We haven't been practicing.
It's okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Ow. I'm almost done. Just gotta get right. Oh, when in a manger. Andrea, be quiet. Oh, when. Andrea, be quiet. Okay, you. No. Yes. Andrea, you're supposed to calm down. What am I supposed to do again? Just stand here?
Hey, girls. Sing now.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The snare. Wait,
Take a bow. Wait, take a bow, you two.
Wait, hold on. Sarah, I barely did anything! I'm just gambling, and that's not how you play!
Come back. Come back, sweetie.
I know I didn't play!
Andrea, come here. You have to do your part now. It's your turn. Do your part. Come here.
What is she supposed to do?
Come here.
It's just gonna go Barry!
Andrea, come here. Do it again, Andrea.
No!
Come here.
And she can only do this. She can only ring the bell if she
That's a
comes
nice
out.
outfit, Andrea. It matches really well. Look good.
You want to ring the bell? Yeah, right! Like, you're going to make me do anything! You're going to clean now. It's not funny!
Yeah.
Why are you letting
No, we were laughing at Sarah.
me?
We were laughing at Sarah. Andrea, come here.
Exactly, because I was like,
Let her hold the baby.
we're
We were laughing at Sarah.
going to sing.
Come on, give her the baby.
I'm
Okay.
not doing
It's
anything!
1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the
You're
morning.
making me stand
New Year's
there.
Eve.
Give me stand there.
Dad.
Yeah, right, like a roller. See?
Andrea.
I'll just sing it by myself. Okay, I'll do it.
Andrea, come here.
You want to hold the baby or ring the bell? I'm not sure. What are you going to do? Don't get it.
Michelle, Andrea, Sarah, give her the baby.
Give me the baby. Give me the blanket.
Andrea. Yeah, right. Like you'll let me do anything. You're going to sing.
Very classic.
It's not really like a show.
You're so sweet. I hold the baby. Here.
Okay, girls.
There's one
Okay, everybody. Happy New Year.
more thing.
Show those to somebody.
Dad,
Okay.
Christmas bells are ringing. Sing! Hear what they say to you. Jesus is born in
Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. And she will come back for us. And the outfit